Hi and welcome back to MRTV. The PSVR 2 is upon us. Only a couple of more days and I couldn't be more excited, and I know that you are as well. In this video, we're going to tear apart the PSVR 2 and check out what's inside. And the great thing is, I don't even have to destroy a unit. Sony already did, and they have uploaded the video today and we're going to check it out together. So absolutely stay tuned, watch the whole video because all of this goodness is coming up. Here we are, let's do this and let's react together. By the way, my name is Sebastian and this channel is called MRTV. If you're excited about PSVR 2 and VR, absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And here we go. This is Araki and he's the design lead of PlayStation VR 2 headset. And wow, he's also the design lead of the original PSVR. Cool dude. Thanks for giving us this amazing hardware. So they try to make it as light as possible. Let's see about that. And let's see what we can do here. 2 parts, headband and scope. And obviously we can separate it like this. Yes, so that's the eye relief. And now, okay, now he's starting to take it all apart. Wow, this guy, he constructed it. So obviously he has the right now to deconstruct it. So this is a reaction video. I have not watched this video before. It's the first time that I see it. Oh, this looked kind of easy to take it apart. So let's check out the scope thingy. The light shield looks already really cool in this design where it can easily fold together. And okay, you can take it off, and if you wanted, you can clean it. I never did that with the first one. I'm not sure if you even could do it. Okay, so this is obviously an improvement over the first one. It has 2 layers. Yeah. So it's already an improvement that it kind of folds together. The first one didn't do that. Okay, so now we can learn how we can even take it further apart. I don't think anyone of us will ever do that, right? But it's good to know that we could do that. Huh. He must be pretty happy that finally, after all these years of doing this kind of hardware, he has a little bit of the spotlight. That's cool. Okay, here we have the lenses. Now let's disconnect this outer part as well. 4 more screws. Can separate the front cover now, and let's have a look at those cameras now. It's designed to be extremely light. Okay. Making the design beautiful, both inside and out. Yeah, even inside is beautiful. And there's a PlayStation mark. Okay. It's going to remove the camera. Oh, this is so interesting, at least for me. I don't know. What are your thoughts about it? I love hardware. I simply love hardware. Okay, here, these are the camera units. I think it's a marvel to build something like this, like all the parts, how they come together. It is beautiful. Every single thing, it has a function. What a marvel of technology. I can't wait to put this on my head. I know you have the same feeling. Here's the tracking camera. Okay. Continue by removing the button unit. This is really like a manual to do it if you want to do it yourself. So if you want to repair it by yourself, probably with this video you could. Ah, okay, the microphone. Okay, it's surrounded by rubber to block out some exterior noise. Interesting. Yeah, probably, yeah, you don't want to have kind of handling noise if you touch the device. So, remove the duct. Okay, the duct is very easy to remove, he says. Cooling system. incorporates this fan. Okay, the new cooling system. It cools the IC chip and the main board. Okay, the airflow helps it not to become stuffy. Right. So let's see how that's going to work with the lenses, if they're going to fog up or not. Probably not. Oh my goodness, how can you design something like this? I'm in awe, really in awe. By the way, I'm a master of science and electrical engineering. I was always excited about exactly this kind of stuff. Wow. What must come together to build such a system? It is unbelievable. Connectors on the main board. Okay, now we're getting here to the PCB. This is the main board. This is what brings everything together. Okay, now we're looking at the cables for the eye tracking device. Unbelievable. There are 4 screws to remove. So what is cool, nothing seems to be glued. You know, nothing. So you can totally, absolutely do what he's doing if you wanted to at home. And probably really like repair something. This looks very easily repairable. Audio jack connector. He knows every single part, obviously. Ah, wow. Look at this mechanical adjustment. You see how much place you need for this mechanical adjustment? So yeah, that's the cool thing about the Big Screen Beyond, right? The new PSVR headset where you don't need all this stuff. Okay, now we're getting to the meaty part, the optical unit. Take apart the adjustment dial. Yep, we are working towards the lenses. Remove the gear and all the stuff. The shaft can be removed at the same time. All right. I wonder what we could mod into this. It would be cool if we could do some aspheric lens mod. Yeah? Or pancake lens mod, probably not, but wow, like an aspheric lens mod. That would be something that would be cool. If you are the person to do it, get in touch with me and I will feature you here on the channel, that's for sure. This attachment sensor emits infrared light and analyze the strength. Oh, yeah. Use it very okay. Good. Around the lenses, there's IR LED capturing the light. Okay, so that's the eye tracking. Huh. It's so cool that nothing is glued on, really. You can totally tear this apart and mod it with hopefully other lenses. Do let me know if you are the person to be able to do it. Okay, now he's removing the IR camera. Seal tight to prevent something from getting in. Oh. Wow. How long it must take to design the whole thing, really. What a marvel. Okay, so you can see this is truly sealed with rubber so that nothing gets inside. Fresnel lenses. Reduce ghosting. Yeah, let's see about that. Okay, that was the lenses and now the headband. Okay, you can also easily take this apart, which is cool. Sponge cushion before. Okay, they changed it now. Silicone rubber cushion, okay. Cushion, okay. Nice. So let's check out now the back part. So they've changed something about it. they reduce the amount of pressure placed. Wow, how much thought went into that? Okay, let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, that's it already. Okay, I thought they would show now what is actually in the back padding. Okay, here are the cables. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, wow. So this is... Even how the cable is placed there is a marvel. So that you can like extend it. So if you want to remove the cable, now you know how to do it. So if something's gonna be wrong with your cable, there should be there's a way to remove it. You only need to watch this video. This is so cool, right? Nothing is glued. Everything can be screwed on it. Did I mention this in this video? I think yes. Whew. You're watching me watching this video. If you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up. And if you're excited about PSVR 2, I am. And I will heavily cover it on this channel. Okay. Wow. I really, really love hardware. This is like, I don't know, hardware porn. Hardware porn. Okay, now I'm getting demonetized. What else is there to do now? Okay, still removing screws. Oh, he's really totally like dismantling the whole thing. Uh-huh. The cable can be removed at the same time as the middle parts. So here you go. This is the audio cable. Uh-huh. Motor cable. Okay, the main cable. So you can detach it if you want. Just like that. So easy. Ah, okay. This is the vibrator. Vibrator? Is it? Can you call it like this? The thing that vibrates? Okay, these are all the parts. All right. Now put it back together and let's play. Light as possible. They wanted to do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we will all enjoy that. We will give it a try. All right, we will. Thank you. Thank you for showing that to us and thank you for making that device. Okay, so now you know how to do it. Now you know how to tear it apart and actually what's inside. And again, yeah, it seems to be pretty simple to do it. And well, if you want to mod something, probably now you know how to get to the lenses. Do let me know if you manage to do any kind of mod, and I'm so glad to show it here on the channel. Yep, so PSVR 2 is going to be covered a lot here on the channel. It's going to be crazy since I always talk about stuff that I am excited about, and I am excited about PSVR 2. So lots of goodness will be coming up here on the channel. If you enjoyed this reaction video, then give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to MRTV, do it right now and click on the bell button so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And yeah, what can I say? I would love to chat with you on the MRTV Discord server, link down in the description of this video. And I can wait to give you lots of more PSVR content and to see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.